In step 3, let's look up node class, template node class first. And step 3, each occurrence of a class name except the very class name declaration. After that, as we find the class name again, like a T node appears again, then that class name should be changed with the angle bracket T appended. So that's a step 3. So step 3 in this T node class declaration, this is a class name, so ignore that one. And next one from that time on. So let's find edit, replace. We are looking for T node. The very first T node occurrence, we ignore that, and then from after that, T node should be changed to T node angle bracket T is the one. So this is the first occurrence, so we skip that. Now this is a pointer declaration. In C++ syntax, type star variable name is pointer declaration. So here what you give is type. So class name is type. So T node here is a class name. Then we need to change it to T node angle bracket T. Now this is another occurrence. Now this is a constructor. Construct is a function. So this T node is the name of the function, which happens to be the same as a class name though, but syntax wise, this is a function name, not class name, so we do not change it. So we keep it, so press arrow key, we skip that. Now in the member function, the syntax is a class name colon colon function name. So class name, we need to change it to like this, angle bracket T. And then we are having another class, T-list, so we should do the same thing. So first, as we find the T-list, we may need to change to T-list angle bracket T. So this is the very first class name declaration, so we don't do that. And from second on, so here, second one, this is a constructor function name, not a class name, so we skip that. This is a destructor function name, we skip that. Now this is a class name colon colon, so we change that. Then next one is this is class name and then function name, so we skip. This is a class name, change. Second one is a function name, skip. And then class name, change that. Class name append, change that. And then class name get, change. Class name insert, change. Class name remove, change. Class name index of, change it. So we have changed the modified accordingly for that. And then T-list class as template includes T-node, which is also template class. So we should do the same thing. So as we see T-node in T-list class implementation, if that is a class name, we need to change it to T-node angle bracket T. Now, this is the first, let's begin with here. First occurrence is a T-node star. So in C++ syntax, to declare a pointer, we use a type name, star, and variable name. So type name is a class name. Class name is also type name. So T-node star represent a class name, so that we should change that. So let me do skip. So this is the one. So let's change it. And then T-node star tail is a pointer declaration. Change that. And then this is just the comments part. Next. T-node star P, that's a class name. Change it. And then new C++ syntax, a new type is to dynamically create storage for the given type. So new and then type means that this is a class name. So change it. And the pointer declaration, change it. Pointer and then type name. So change it, change it. Now is comments, so skip that comments. Pointer declaration, change. New type, change it. Pointer, change it. Comment, skip that one. And then also here's a pointer, so change it. And then pointer, change it. Pointer, change it. And this comments part, we could skip that. Comment part, skip that. It's pointer, so change it. And then pointer, change it. So we have changed all of those accordingly.